Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Fagaci professional hair clippers with extremely fine cutting, cordless hair trimmer. That's features are include. Super fine cutting. Cordless clippers designed with 440C steel blades, famous for its unbeatable quality and long durability with super fine cutting. Constantly cleaned and greased, the blades of this hair cutting tools remain at a low temperature, providing a superior skin experience. Extremely sharp 440C steel blades. This hair clippers and accessories it features adjustable 440C steel blades with thin profile and flat bottom that allows closer and more precise cutting. The blades of this men's clippers adjust to 0.5 to 2 mm with an adjustable taper lever giving increased flexibility. The perfect hair clippers for women and men. Powerful battery and quick charging. The 2500 mAh Li-ion battery built into this clippers for haircut machine means a remarkable 5-hour running time with a charge of only 3 hours for maximum performance in all aspects. Perfect barber supplies and barber accessories. Professional quality. This wireless clippers barber kit is expertly designed, being of outstanding quality, with stainless steel body and a high-performance engine that easily cuts off any type of hair in one movement. Barber clippers perfect for salon and household. High-speed motor and low noise. Fagaci hair clippers features the most powerful wireless engine. It generates a high rotation speed of 6000 rpm for excellent cutting power and fierce low noise sound. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.